This journey was about checking things off the map. The Oregon seacoast, the beauty that I had only dreamt of, the sea stacks, the beaches, the waterfalls, it was all there in front of me. But it didn't take long for me to realize that this trip was not about Oregon. Jordyn didn't just create the More Than a Filmmaker group, she created a community of filmmakers where we encourage one another, share what we've learned, and inspire each other, never ever to lose sight of the gifts we've been given.
I think you're doing a great job.
Let's go!
These are the beautiful people that have given me the confidence to call myself a filmmaker. Hard to believe, but I made it to Oregon with this incredible filmmaking group.